Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, August 23rd. Let me talk to you real quickly about what we did in class today. So if you were absent, you know what you need to have done before we begin. So we're continuing with how the brain learns. Just a reminder, continuing to follow the procedures for beginning class. The end of your practice times ends this Friday. So starting Monday, you will have to, you won't be prompted to follow the procedures. I'm just expecting it. And if you don't get your iPad out, put your backpack where it needs to go, write down your assignments in your notebook, then that will be a responsibility signing starting Monday. Today I had the kids go to GoodNotes and pull up their VARC questionnaire. If you were not here yesterday, you did not complete the questionnaire, you'll have to come see me and finish that in guided study. So just come see me and we'll make plans for you to come see me in guided study. All right, so I had the kids go to Schoology. In Schoology today, our objective is that we are able to apply VARC intake strategies when you learn something new. The purpose is now that you guys know what kind of a learner you are, what your learning preferences are, now I want you to practice intaking new information and practice using those strategies. So I partnered the kids up. So if whoever they had a learning modality that was the same with somebody else, for example, two kinesthetic learners, they would work together and they would come in and pick whichever folder. I just wanted everybody to pick one, so it was the one that they scored the highest in. Inside these folders, there is a link to the VARC website, and that VARC website then will give you your intake strategies. Okay, so I just gave the kids about 10 minutes to look through these. What are some things that you should do? How do you intake strategies? That means like how do you learn new information? And then it also talks about what kind of strategies can you use if you're presenting information to somebody, and then what can you do to get ready for a test. So it gave the kids about 10 minutes to do that, and then we talked about it. We had a lot of class discussion today, and then I wanted them to apply those strategies to learning something new. So I have cards for everybody. The partners would go in and they're trying to learn how to play a game called Spit. So since you were absent today, what I'd like you to do is look at your questionnaire, figure out which learning modality is your strongest one. It's the one that you scored the highest in. If you tied, pick one. Like you may want to go in and read about both of them and then decide which one sounds more like you. And then I want you to review how to play the game, because when you come back tomorrow, then we're going to actually play the game, and I'll probably partner you up with somebody, so you'll just kind of jump in, okay? No homework today as far as anything for you to that's due, that I'm taking a grade for, but your homework is to study your How the Brain Learns vocabulary for 5 to 10 minutes every day. If you have been gone and you don't know the vocabulary, that was, let me go back in August and I'll show you where that is. So the vocabulary is right here on Monday, the 21st. I've got a list of vocabulary terms for How the Brain Learns. And I would like you to make flashcards. If you need actual note cards, I have some here for you. Otherwise, if you'd like to make a digital copy, I'll show you how to do it in GoodNotes. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Hope to see you tomorrow.